Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I have changed some settings and also created a bus selection menu, and I will show you that. So here I have created a bus selection menu, and we will just enable it so that we can see it in game view. You can see this is the bus selection menu. I will just hide the main menu so that we can only test the bus selection menu, and in this bus selection menu I have changed the camera as well. So here you can see the main menu camera is there, and the another camera which is bus selection camera, which if I enable it you can see the view of bus selection camera. So I will just hide it so that you can see the view of bus selection camera. In this camera you can see that our buttons, I have created play button, this back button, and these two buttons for selecting next vehicles, and buy button. So what we can do, so first of all I will just adjust the placement of these buttons, because these buttons are not in a proper manner. So I will select bus selection menu, and first of all I will select this play button and we will move it to upward here, I think. So it is good. Also for these buttons I will just move these buttons to the one to the right side, maybe somewhere here, and the another button will be, I will just make it balanced with the right button, and then we'll move it to left side, maybe at this point is good, I think. So yeah, this point is good, and then we will select both and move it a little bit here. So that's nice. So now our UI is good, and now we are happy with this. So now I will show you that how I change the UIs from one to another, and how you can do that. So for now bus selection I will just hide it, and main menu we will enable it. We will also enable the main camera, which is this one. So this is our main menu camera. Okay, so here are the scripts which we have written. So first thing I have write this script for rotation of the bus. Okay, I just need to rotate the bus, okay, in a y-axis, because y-axis will rotate it to left like this. Okay, and the another thing that we need is, I have created the cylinder in the bottom of the bus, and then I have applied this script to both of these items. So here you can see this is a cylinder. If we go to scenes view, press F, you can see under the bus I have created a cylinder with some texture, and I have added the rotation script to cylinder. Also the cylinder main collider was capsule collider, so I have deleted the capsule collider, it was creating problems, and then I have created mesh collider here. So you can also add the mesh collider, and on the buses I have added rotate bus script. Also I didn't opened the prefab, and I didn't added this script into prefab, otherwise your bus will rotate in other scenes as well. We only need it rotation here on this scene only. Okay, also if you want to mute the sound of the bus, you can just select all buses, and we can either uncheck this option, and it will not be implemented on prefab. Okay, so the sound will also mute. So now we have created two menus, and for menus I have just created a very simple script here, and in this script we have created four variables: game object, main menu camera, bus select camera, main menu UI, shop menu UI, or bus menu UI. I will just change it to bus menu UI so you can understand. So now we have created a function with the main menu camera name, and I have just changed this to bus. So here what we are doing, we are enabling the main menu camera, we are enabling the main menu UI. If we click on this button, and if we click on this button, we can the bus menu UI will be inactive and bus select camera will be inactive. Also in shop menu camera function, we have created main menu camera false, main menu UI false, and shop and the bus menu UI inactive and bus select camera active. Okay, it's very simple function. And then we have created quit game function where we are quitting the game. So now what we will do, we will select our main menu, and inside the main menu we have a play button. So if we go to main menu, you can see play button, and on play button what we will do, we will add on click function. And as we have added this script on the main menu UI game object, so then we will drag drop this main UI game object into our on click function. So it's taking some time for compiling this script, so we can wait for some seconds. Okay, so now you can see on play button we have added on click function, we have dragged this main menu UI here, and then we have selected the main menu camera and shop menu camera function. Okay, so when we click on play button, we will go to shop the bus selection menu. Okay, I just have named it shop menu, so it's not very big deal. Anyhow, the next thing what we have to do is if we go to bus selection menu, you can see that on the back button, if we go to back button, which is main menu back, if we focus on this, here you can see this button. So if we click on this button, we should go to back menu. Okay, so here if you see on click function, we have added main UI, and here we have added main menu camera and then main menu camera function. So that's it for this functionality. I will just inactive the bus selection, and here you can see if we play the game, you will see that we will have a nice main menu with static. I just removed the animation from the camera because it was just destructed. So we keep everything simple, and you will also not listen the sound of bus, hopefully, because we have deactivate the real RCC controller, which is good for the main menu, and in next level it will run absolutely fine. Now you can see this is a main menu view, and you can add some background music or talking audio as well if you want. And then if you click on play button, you can see there is some problem, no camera rendering. Okay, so because we have changed the name, so we will recheck the main UI, and here you can see we have bus menu UI which is not added. I will just add it here, bus menu UI. Okay, bus selection, and main menu UI will be main menu, and main menu camera will be this camera. and bus selection camera will be this camera. Now I hope there will not you will not face any problem. Okay, so you can see main menu, and if we click on play, you can see we are on shop menu now. And in next video we will add functionality of these buttons and selecting car, the bus as well. And we will next videos we will also add the buy system, and if we click on back button we will move back to main menu. That's it for this video. In next video we'll move further. Allah Hafiz.